Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the Dstv multi-switch ports and matching the dish/LNB outputs. That ensures signal compatibility. Once done, power off and unplug receivers to avoid shorts while you connect. You feed each LNB coax into the labeled inputs on the switch, hand-tightening F connectors, then use a wrench for a snug fit. This prevents water ingress and signal loss. Make sure to route cables away from sharp edges so connections stay reliable. Once the LNBs are attached, you run the switch outputs to each receiver, labeling cables 1 through N so you can trace them quickly later. Next, install the multi-switch power injector or connect the built-in power feed, taking care with polarity and using the recommended 12V supply, incorrect voltage degrades or damages components. After powering briefly to check signal lights, mount the switch on a sheltered surface and make sure cable strain relief prevents tugging at connectors. You finish by powering each receiver and running the onboard signal strength and alignment tests so you can confirm each tuner sees channels. Once verified, scan for channels and save settings. If a tuner shows low signal, swap cables between ports to isolate a bad lead or port, then tighten or replace the F connector. If nothing works, make sure the power injector is delivering correct voltage, the LNB feed is active, and the dish alignment is within a few degrees. Start adjustments only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.